Today we are looking at a nice Oliver 50B gravity table. We're going to do a walk around of this unit and discuss it. This particular unit was purchased, used very little, and then stored for most of its life. It has seen very little use. All of the controls are free. You can see the original paint isn't worn off of the hand cranks. You can see down inside the fan chamber here, the paint isn't worn off. Everything is in nice shape on this unit. You can see down inside the hopper here, the hopper is in good shape. We can see underneath of the unit is painted up with their original orange or red paint that they would paint the undersides of their equipment with. This gives you an idea of how little this unit was used. It was stored properly. Whoever had it before us took good care of it. Alright, we've removed the cover that goes over the motor here. You can see the inside of the unit from the other side. Everything is nice and clean. Alright, we've installed the deck. The linen on this deck has been replaced with brand new linen. It's very clean. Has a lot of life in it now. Another indicator that this unit has seen very little use is that the varnish right here on the tongue on the end of the deck here is barely worn off. Typically when we receive these units, the varnish is gone from this piece. The varnish on this piece here is intact. It's barely worn. Over here as well, I can see no wear to the varnish at all. Alright, we're going to fire the unit up for you now. You can see it fires right up. The motor starts strong, runs strong, hums right along. There are no irregular noises. All of the wear components have been checked on this unit. We went over the bearings and inspected them. They're in very good shape. As I said before, this unit saw very little use and then was stored for most of its life. Hums right along. You can see the deck shaking back and forth there. I can speed the shake up by turning this crank right here. You can see it's increasing in speed. Now I can't speed it up too much because the unit is not bolted down. This unit has to be bolted to a solid floor for it to work properly. There's a lot of excess vibration in it because it is not bolted down. Right along. And all of the hand controls are free, work like they should. Everything's in good shape.